Let us start. Once upon a time, there was a king who thought that he must know the answer of 3 questions to be successful rule. The questions were: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? The king sent messengers in all the directions to find people who could answer these questions. Many wise men came, but their answers were all different. For the first question, some people felt that the king should follow a timetable. However, there were others who felt that it is not possible to decide the right time for doing something in advance. Similarly, for the second question, some wise men said that the king should follow his counselors, while others thought the king should listen to the priest's advice. Then there were those who felt that it was the doctor, the king, who should obey, while there were many in favor of soldiers. For the third question, some wise men said that the silence should be the most important thing for the king, while the others said religion. The king was not satisfied with these answers, as they were so different from each other. He decided to seek consultation of a wise hermit who lived in a jungle. But the hermit would meet only ordinary people. So the king dressed up like a common man, left behind his horse and bodyguards, and went to hermit's hut. The hermit was an old man and busy digging the ground in front of his house. The king told the hermit that he had come in search of answers for his 3 questions and repeated them. The hermit didn't reply and continued digging the ground. After some time, the king saw that the hermit was tired, so he offered his help. The king continued digging the ground till evening. In the evening, the king again requested the hermit to answer his questions. But at that moment, a man came running towards them with a hand on his wounded stomach. The king cleaned the wound and dressed the wound, controlling the flow of blood. The man felt better and asked for some water. Hermit and the king took the man inside the house. The man was lying quite inside the house, and the tired king too fell asleep on the ground. In the morning, when the king opened his eyes, he saw the wounded man asking for forgiveness. The man told the king that he had come to take revenge from him because the king had killed his brother and had taken away all his property. He wanted to kill the king while returning from the hermit's place. But he was found and wounded by the king's bodyguards. He would have died if the king had not helped him. He regretted his thoughts of killing the king and promised to be his faithful servant. The king was pleased to turn his enemy into a friend. He forgave him and returned all his property. The king then went to look for the hermit, who was sowing seeds in the beds that he had dug the day before. The king once again requested the hermit to answer his questions. To this, the hermit replied that the king had already found the answers. When the wounded man arrived, the most important time was when he was caring for him, otherwise he would have died of his excessive bleeding. So at that moment, the wounded man was the most important man, and nursing him was the most important business. The hermit said that most important time is the present moment, because it is the only time when we have the power to act. The most important person at a particular moment is we, ourselves, because future is unknown to us. and there is always an uncertainty about meeting anyone else. The most important job is to do good to others, because we have been sent to this world for this noble cause. I hope you understand and revise and recall the chapter. So do revise the question answers and the word meanings from Literary Companion, and learn this chapter. Thank you, students, for watching the video.